Hi friends, welcome to IrfanCreates. This is action figure part 25 and in this part we will make pelvis and bumps muscles. So this underwear part is made into two parts and if you look its back, here I have divided pelvis muscles into three parts. Below this there are two bumps which comes out while bending. If you look it from side by side, these bumps muscles comes out from underwear like this and goes in like this. Now I'm splitting its leg from front. See how bumps muscles covered the hip joint gap. If you split the legs from back, so here the bumps could be adjustable according to our figures poses like this. If you bend its hip in front, its bump comes out automatically and can be set as we need. If it bends backward, then the bump muscles cover goes inside automatically and it allows the leg to bend backside in extreme. Side by side bend allows us to set the hip muscles as I told before, and also you can lock the leg as your poses demand. So that's it. If you guys want to include this function in your action figure, then watch the full video and don't skip. And let's get started. So first thing first, to make underwear and bumps, we'll have to make two side drawings and then make a template. Then we'll have to stick all cut edges of template. Now all cuts edges are sticked and lastly we'll stick these 2 points like this. Now the part is sticked and we'll trim all unwanted pieces. So this is front underwear part and this is back side. Now I have covered it from inside with brown paper pieces. So this is left part and right one is also completed. A long brown strip is stick from inside and left around half centimeter outside. So when we stick right underwear part on it, it will hold that part properly and strongly. Now I have glued on pelvis system like this and will take this left part and stick like this. See how it stick properly. Now let's glue on right side and on this brown strip carefully. And let's close this area with right piece. So while working on symmetrical pieces, it's important to stick it like both pieces should look as one piece. Now the underwear is done and it looks good and nice from front and back. So the underwear portion is finally done and also it's working nicely. Now let's work on bumps part. I am sticking all cuts of this template. Now the bump portion is about to complete. We have to stick these two ends together. See how it looks after sticking. Now I have made a ring according to its size. Let's place this ring inside and stick like this. The bump piece is ready to attach and little bit trim it from here. Just like this I have made right bump piece also. So let's see how to attach it with figure. Now I will attach this bump piece over this joint. Let's place it and it will rotate like this. Now we'll place the thigh part like this. In the same way, we'll attach the left bump and thigh parts. All work is done. Let's see how it looks. The bump pieces can be slide in and out of underwear. See how it goes inside. It's actually allowing to bend leg backside in extreme pose and it can be bent in front. The bum is following leg nicely. See once again how it comes out while bending. I have never expected that it will work so nicely. So this was the part on which I thought and worked a lot to make this feature. See how both bumps goes inside and comes out. Well, I'm happy with my work and also I wanted to know how you feel and what you liked about this video. So if you guys wanted to buy my templates, please wait little more. I know that my videos comes very late. Lot of viewers thinks that I'm too lazy, but it's not true. I have to practice off camera more and more times for you guys. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe. That encourages me more. I will see you soon in the next part. Till then, take care and bye bye, friends.